Today we will learn about the kings and celebrities of Kerala. Before independence, Kerala was divided into three princely states. There are Malabar, Cochin, and Travancore. Now we look at each one. Malabar Kulattanadu, that is, Kolaswarupam as Kingdom of Koneri in foreign accounts. Chirakkal in later times was one of the foremost powerful kingdom on the Malabar coast during the arrival of Portuguese armadas to India. Two others being Zomarin, the kingdom of Cochin, and Koilan. Kulattanadu has its capital at Ezhamala and was ruled by the Kolatri royal family and roughly comprised the North Malabar region of the Kerala state in India. Kingdom of Cochin, also known as Perumpadapu Swarupam, Mada Swarupam or Guru Swarupam, named after its capital city of Kochi, was a late medieval kingdom and later princely state on the Malabar coast, once controlling of the territory between Ponnani and Tottapalli. The Cochin kingdom shrank to its minimal extent as a result of innovation by the Zomarin of Calicut. When the Portuguese armada arrived in India, the kingdom of Cochin has lost its vassals. Travancore royal family was a ruling house of Kingdom of Travancore. They lost their ruling rights in 1949 when Travancore merged with India and their remaining privileges were abolished in 1971. The family are descended from the Ivanad family, Cheras, Pandyas and Cholas. The ruler in that bloodlines was Maharaja Sri Moolam Tirunal. As a family of the Maharaja Chittirai Tirunal and successors, the royal family is alternatively known as the Kuppaga Swarupam, Tirupapur Swarupam, Venadu Swarupam, Varanchi Swarupam. Some of the events that took place today demonstration their heritage and their unwavering love of God and people. Raja Ravivarma, born in 29th April 1848 and died 2nd October 1906, was an Indian painter and artist. He was considered among the greatest painters in the history of Indian art. His work are one of the best examples of the fashions of European academic art with the purely Indian sensibility and iconography. Alternatively, he was notable for the making affordable lithography of his painting available to the public, which greatly enhanced his reach and influence as a painter and public figure. P.T. Usha is a retired Indian track and field athlete. She was born in Kuttali in Kozhikode. She has been associated with the Indian athletics since 1979. She is often called the Queen of Indian track and field. She represented India in 4 into 100 meters relay together with Jayalakshmi, Rachitra Sri and E.B. Shaila at the 1998 Asian Championship in Athletics, where her team won the gold medal on the way to setting the current national record of 44.43 seconds. Madhavan Ravindran is born Kulathupuzha, Kollam on 9th November 1943 and died 3rd March 2005. Formerly known as Ravindran Master, was a popular South Indian music composer and playback singer from Kerala. He composed songs for more than 150 films, primarily for the Malayalam and Tamil films industry. Thattil Anthony Johnson, born on 26 March 1953 and died 18 August 2011, popularly known as Johnson Master, was the Indian film score composer and music director. He given the music in some famous movie, that is Koodevide, நமக்கு பார்க்கான் முந்திரி தோப்புகள், வடக்கு நோக்கி எந்திரம், பெருந்தச்சன், ஞான் கந்தரவன் and so many. Vecheri Louis Ausepachan, born on 13th September 1955, mononymously known as Ausepachan, is an Indian film composer and singer who mainly set score for Malayalam films. He is recipient of Indian Awards, Filmfare Award, Kerala State Film Award for soundtrack and background score. Chemmin is 1965 Indian Malayalam language romantic film based on the novel of the same name by Thagadi Shivashankaran Pillai, screenplay by S.L. Puram Santhanam, directed by Ramu Kariyat. Chemmin got world recognition such as National Film Award for Best Feature Film, Certificate of Merit at Chicago International Film Festival, Gold Medal at the Cannes Film Festival for the Best Cinematography. Some lyrics of its famous song For You.
கடலினக்கரை போனோரே காணா பொன்னினு போனோரே, கடலினக்கரை போனோரே காணா பொன்னினு போனோரே, போய் வரும்போழெந்து கொண்டு வரும் கை நிறைய, போய் வரும்போழெந்து கொண்டு வரும் 14ஆம் ராவிலே പാലാഴിത്തിരയിലെ മത്സ്യകന്യകമാരുടെ മാണിക്യ കല്ല് തരാമോ.
ONV Group is one of the best lyricists. He got 14 Kerala State Awards. Girish Puthancheri got 7 awards for his best lyricist. Rafiq Ahmed got 5 awards for his best lyricist. Vailar Ramavarma got 4 awards for his best lyricist. For the Malayalam movie direction field, there are so many directors are proved his ability to present the movie to the world class. Some directors are follows. G. Aravindan got 7 Kerala State Awards. Adur Gopalakrishnan got 6 Kerala State Awards. K. Sethumadhavan got 4 Kerala State Awards. The list is very long and can be looked in details in separate video. We can now look at important political leaders. 5th April 1957, democratically the first communist party to come to the power in Asia. The first chief minister of the state is E.M.S. Namboodiripad from Communist Party. Achyuthan Menon is another chief minister from Communist Party. K. Karunakaran is also another icon of the chief minister from Congress Party. E.K. Nayanar is also another icon of the chief minister from Communist Party. Next we look at important cine artist. Prem Nazir was one of the film actor. Nazir holds 2 Guinness World Records for playing leading role in the record 520 films. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 1953. Indian Postal issued a stamp worth ₹5 for 100 years of Indian cinema. Madhavan Nair, commonly known Madhu, is an Indian film actor, director, producer and former film studio owner. He played more than 400 films. He was directed 12 films, produced 15 films. He was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India. He held more and more awards during his career. Muhammad Kutti Anaparambil Ismail, better known by his stage name Mammootty or Mamuka, is an actor and film producer. He has acted in over 400 films, mainly in Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, and English. He was awarded Padma Shri by the Government of India. He was held a lot of awards in his career. Now he holds a Malayalam superstar of the cine industry. Mohanlal Vishwanathan, betterly known as Mohanlal or Laletan, is an actor, film producer, playback singer, television host, and film distributor. He has acted more than 340 films. Government India honored him with Padma Shri in 2001 and Padma Bhushan in 2019. He also awarded the Harmony rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territory Army. He is also holding a superstar of the Malayalam industries. He has also held lots of awards in his career. He was bestowed with an Harmony title of Black Belt in Taekwondo from Gukgwon, South Korea. He is the first South Indian actor to be honored with title. Thank you.